Welcome back, everyone. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to restore lost or deleted files in OneDrive on a Windows PC, even if you think they're gone for good. By the end of this video, you'll know how to bring back files you accidentally deleted, recover older versions, and even roll back your whole OneDrive to a previous point in time. Mistakes happen, but with these methods, you won't have to panic next time you lose an important document or treasured photo. So let's dive right in. Let's start with the most common scenario, restoring deleted files. You might be relieved to know that when you delete something in OneDrive, it's not erased instantly. Instead, it's moved to a sort of safety net, the OneDrive Recycle bin. For personal accounts, deleted files hang out here for 30 days, while for work or school accounts, you've got a generous 93 days to change your mind. This window gives you a lot of breathing room to realize something's missing and swoop in for a rescue. If you're working from the web, go to OneDrive.com and sign in. Look on the left, there's a Recycle bin option, just like the trusty trash can on your desktop. When you click in, you'll see a list of everything you've recently deleted, all neatly organized. Take a moment to scroll through and find your file. If you spot it, just select it and then click Restore. That's it. Your file zips right back to its original location as if it never left. But what if you normally use OneDrive through your Windows PC and you deleted something from your local synced folder? Here's what you do. Open your Windows Recycle bin. This is the classic catch-all for deleted files on your computer. If your file is there, right-click and select Restore. Windows will put it straight back where it belongs in your OneDrive folder. It's a nice little safety net that saves a ton of headaches. And here's a bonus tip for those using work or school accounts. Sometimes you might empty your main Recycle bin and still need something back. Don't stress, OneDrive actually has a hidden backup called the Second Stage Recycle bin. You can find a link to this at the very bottom of the main Recycle bin page on the web. This is like a last safety net before things are truly purged, so if you're having that sinking feeling, double-check down there, you might just find your missing file. Now, sometimes it's not about bringing back a deleted file, but rather restoring an earlier version. Maybe you overwrote a document or something didn't save quite right. In those cases, OneDrive Version History comes to the rescue. Just right-click the file, choose Version History, and you'll see previous versions listed. Pick the one you want, hit Restore, and you're set. It's like having a time machine for your files. And let's say disaster really struck. Maybe a bunch of files got corrupted or deleted. OneDrive lets you go a step further and roll back your entire account to a previous state. You'll find this option under your settings online, labeled Restore Your OneDrive. It's a powerful tool, so use it with care, but it can save you in those worst-case scenarios. Remember, these systems are built to give you peace of mind and a cushion for human error. If you don't see your file right away, don't worry, just check each spot and you'll often find what you need. If this video helped you recover your data, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I read every one. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical guides just like this. Thanks for watching and happy file restoring.